Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the location services on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon to enter the settings, then scroll down, find the option called location and tap on it. And here we can enable or disable the location services by tapping on the switch next to use location. If you want to disable them, tap on the switch to flick it off. And also you can scroll down to advanced category. And here we have the emergency location service. You can also disable it if you want by tapping on the switch. And if you want to enable the location services, tap on the use location. And also we can enable the emergency location services. If you have the location services enabled, you can scroll down and in the advanced category, you will see the Google location accuracy. And you can tap on it. And you can also disable the option to improve location accuracy by using the Wi-Fi network or mobile network, if you don't like that. Okay, and once you're done customizing your settings, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the location services on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.